Hey there, Amazon sellers. Welcome back to SellerMetrics YouTube channel, the place where we deep dive into the world of Amazon. Today, we got a topic that gets a wide variety of opinions, and that is how your inventory levels can affect your Amazon advertising metrics. I'm your host, Rick Wong, founder of SellerMetrics, a full-service Amazon agency. Let's jump right into it. Looking for the best Amazon selling information all in one place? Check out our seller repository where we have the best practices, SOPs, and hacks all in your fingertips in an easy to follow guide. It's perfect for the sellers looking to upgrade their knowledge and also to train their VAs. You can make a copy on the link below. Now, before we talk about the importance of how inventory affects your Amazon advertising, let me tell you why keeping your inventory levels in the available bucket is the secret sauce to your Amazon success. It is not just about having the stuff to sell, but it's about having the products ready to be shipped directly from FBA when the orders comes in, and how this would affect every click, every impression, and ultimately every sales that includes the impressions coming in through advertising. To understand how your inventory affects your advertising, it is good to understand the entire sales funnel when a customer finds and purchases your product. This entire funnel, I would take a little bit from my Amazon guy on this, called ICAP, which is an acronym for impressions, clicks, add to cart, and purchases. And not being fully in stock would mean that your metrics will be negatively impacted on each stage of the funnel. The first part of the advertising metrics that can negatively affect it is a click-through rate, or CTR. This is the impressions and clicks part of the funnel where the customer decides if they are going to click on your listing versus your competition's. If you are not fully in stock, your listing is active, but the availability is zero, there's two things that could come into play. Number one, you will not get as much impressions due to your lower rank because in Amazon A9 algorithm, delivery time plays a part to it. Number two, your click-through rate will suffer because the estimated delivery date will not show up on the search result on your listing. Now, going down further down the ICAP funnel, let's talk about conversion rate. And this will affect your add to cart and the purchase part of the funnel. Imagine this. A shopper clicks into your listing expecting that they will get the product delivered in 2 days. Instead, at the buy box, they say that it's going to come within 7 days or in some cases 2 weeks from now. In this scenario, that the conversion rate of your ads will suffer as a result. How does the decrease in conversion rate and click-through rate affect your ACoS? Quite simply, a decreased click-through rate and also the conversion rate will decrease your ad efficiency. If we break down the ACoS equation, these two metrics will have an inverse relationship to ACoS. If CTR and conversion rate goes up, means that the ACoS will go down. On the other hand, if the conversion rate and CTR goes down, means that ACoS will go up. All right, there you have it, the intricate dance between your inventory levels and your Amazon advertising metrics. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want the full scoop, be sure to subscribe. And if you're a brand owner or seller that is looking for Amazon Marketplace problem solver, whether it's to perfect your listing, create funnels, or improve your Amazon advertising, be sure to schedule a discovery call with me on the link below. Until next time, keep selling, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video. This is Rick signing off.